Facebook ads. Facebook ads is an advertising platform provided by Facebook that allows businesses and individuals to create and manage ad campaigns across Facebook's various platforms, including Facebook, Instagram, Audience Network, and Messenger. Here are the full details of Facebook ads. Ad formats. Facebook offers a variety of ad formats to suit different campaign objectives and target audiences. Some popular ad formats include A. Image ads. These are single images with accompanying text and a call to action button. B. Video ads. These include videos with accompanying text and a call to action button. C. Carousel ads. These allow multiple images or videos within a single ad, with each panel having its own text and call to action button. D. Collection ads. These showcase a collection of products or images within a single ad, which can be expanded to show more details. A. Lead ads. These are designed to capture user information directly within the ad, eliminating the need for users to visit a separate landing page. Targeting options. Facebook ads provide a range of targeting options to help advertisers reach their desired audience. Targeting options include A. Demographic targeting. This includes factors like age, gender, location, language, education, and relationship status. B. Interest targeting. Advertisers can target users based on their interests, hobbies, and pages they have liked on Facebook. C. Behavior targeting. This includes targeting based on user behaviors such as online shopping habits, device usage, and travel preferences. D. Custom audiences. Advertisers can create custom audiences based on their own customer data, including email lists, website visitors, and app users. A. Lookalike audiences. Facebook can create similar audiences based on the characteristics of an existing custom audience. Ad placement. Facebook ads can be shown on different placements across Facebook's platforms, including A. Facebook News Feed. Ads appear within users' news feeds on both desktop and mobile. B. Instagram Feed. Ads appear within users' Instagram feeds on both mobile and desktop. C. Instagram Stories. Ads appear within Instagram's vertical, full-screen stories. D. Audience Network. Ads are displayed on third-party apps and websites that are part of Facebook's audience network. A. Messenger. Ads can be shown within the Messenger app. Bidding and budgeting. Advertisers can set their own budget and bidding strategy for Facebook ads. Bidding options include A. Cost per click, CPC, paying for each click on the ad. B. Cost per mil, CPM, paying for every 1,000 impressions of the ad. C. Cost per action, CPA, paying for specific actions, such as purchases or form submissions. Ad performance tracking. Facebook ads provides detailed metrics and analytics to track the performance of ad campaigns. Advertisers can monitor metrics such as impressions, clicks, click-through rates, conversions, and return on ad spend. This data helps advertisers optimize their campaigns and make data-driven decisions. Ad policies. Facebook has strict ad policies that govern the content and targeting of ads to maintain a safe and respectful advertising environment. Advertisements must comply with these policies to be approved and shown on the platform. It's important to note that the specifics of Facebook ads may evolve over time, as Facebook frequently updates its features and offerings. It's recommended to refer to Facebook's official documentation and resources for the most up-to-date information on using Facebook ad.